Come along with me. Let's shoot these bowling pins. Who says bowling is boring? Especially when you can shoot them with a pistol. Sometimes you want to at the bowling alley, but here you can't. So I'm going to move you just over my shoulder, and we're going to start this. Okay. I got my muffs on. I hope you have yours on. All right. Pause the game, load some more rounds, and see if we can finish this. So it scored me a 75. This interactive system is pretty simple and easy to use. It scored a 75. When you're done, you can quit it, and it saves your points and everything else like that. Get down here, try out this new interactive range from Evolve Range Solution, who's a sponsor of our YouTube channel. We're using real bullets, real training, and real results. I'm John, the firearms instructor. I specialize in you, and we're in the industrial park off Vizcaya in Cape Coral, Florida. That's 918 Southeast 14th Avenue. Till next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line defense. We'll see you soon.